Okay, let's take a look at this one. Okay, that's all one surface. Cuts look pretty good, although... Oh, I see, that's... Okay, and how does the checkers look? Yeah, that looks like good, clean work. The only thing I would say is that you might... Um, oh, this is more of a construction thing than a UV map thing, but it does look a little sort of twisted at the waist here, but just the way these are kind of stretched out here. Um, but anyway, what I was going to say was you might be able to um, sew together the front and back of the shirt. Let's just see what the result of that is. Move and sew, and then I'll um, actually I want to do this and this as well. Um, Unfold that, Control U. Yeah, see, I think that's just as good, and then you don't have a seam down the middle of the front. Yeah, and then unfold. The other thing I would say is you're not really using the full area of the... Oh, no, you're outside of the quadrant. That's what was going on. Okay. Now you want to stay inside the quadrant. That's the other thing. Okay. That's good. And see the face. I might just straighten that out. Just see what the color feedback looks like. Not too worrying. Maybe a little bit of concern around this edge. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll like split the chin for a couple edges. Shift X and then unfold. Um, and then yeah, you have another seam there, but it allows it to kind of even some stuff out. And again, it's not a very noticeable spot to have a cut. You can even do one more if you wanted. Control U. Hmm. Still a little stretched around the edges, but not too bad. And anyway, it's not that visible of a spot. Hair. Good, except for these kind of... There's a few weird little pieces that don't seem like they would need to be separated. Just gonna try to select along. So I took that whole side. Um, interesting to see what happens when I say move and sew. Don't like that so much. I feel like this could use a little more shape too. Like this is real straight here. Maybe you could have another edge loop here, maybe one there, kind of round this out a bit. And these are pulled really long. It looks like it wants another edge loop. It's just going to be a little challenging to paint over seams along all these extra little edges. What are these little guys? That and those. Do I have symmetry on? I do, that's why it's picking both. So like here, for example, I would think I could take that, move and sew. So where's this one now? Yeah, see, that's fine. And then this one. Okay, and then yeah, I would move and sew those. And oh yeah, it'll be these two again. Okay. And then we can just take these and just unfold again to see if it didn't really change anything. Yeah, then I guess it's mostly these really long strips to see if we could attach those onto something. So that's weird. Okay, so these should be split apart first of all. Where's that? Let's try cutting that. Because this is like two sides, this is one side. Like that is one side, and this is the other side of the same strip. So if anything, those two should be together. So now that's the shell. And then maybe we can split it at the bottom here. Like this one. What? That's that? No. Okay, I'll cut that. Okay, so now we have this piece, which is there, and this one, which is its neighbor. So now I would at least put those two together from here down to here, and move and sew, and then unfold that again. Okay. And unfold this one. So then the question is, can this be, for example, attached on here? Like if we take this to there, which is that edge, and then move in so that, and then let's try unfolding again. See how those checkers look. Yeah, I think that's going to be better because then you don't have a seam along this edge. I mean, you do have one along the inside edge, but that's not so bad. And then it's a little easier to paint over. And then you can repeat that on the other side. Um, hands, hands look really small to me, but maybe you could get a little more flesh here. The UV map looks really good. Did we look at the pants? Oh yeah, that's part of that. And shoes. Some stretching here. Oh yeah, there's like a little weird overlap thing happening there. Let's see if it'll unfold again. Oh, yeah, I just did Control U, and that's okay now. Just have to figure out how to fit it into the, we could just take all these and do layout. Let the computer figure it out. Okay. And then let's just isolate this. Okay. I think it's alright. Maybe more cuts than I would probably do. But just wondering if there's any, like, for example, those could be together. I think this could all be one. Probably these. Well, that does make a somewhat long and awkward piece. And then might be able to lose this. Excuse me. Okay. And let's unfold again. Layout. Could probably do a better job than that, but let's see how the checkers look now. They look fine, and now you have less seams. Okay, but yeah, I think overall you've done a very nice job on this.